On last turn we have studied to calculate the perimeter and area of rectangle. Today we will start squares. A square is a rectangle but its all sides are equal. That is, if ABCD is a square, then its all side will be equals to A units. So the perimeter of this square will be 4 into side, that is 4 into A, and the area will be equals to side into side, that is A into A, that comes out to be A square, or we can write it as side square. Now in this we can also calculate the diagonal of this square. Now to calculate the diagonal length of the diagonal of this square, we know that it is a right angle triangle, so we can apply the property of right angle triangle in this figure. So we take in triangle DCB, since DCB is a right angle triangle and at C we are having right angle, so it will be the hypotenuse, that is DB will be the hypotenuse. So DB square, that is hypotenuse ka square, is equals to base square, that is DC square plus BC square. So we will substitute the value of, since all the sides are equal, so DC will be A square and BC will also be equals to A square. So DB square is equals to A square plus A square. Again DB square is equals to 2 times A square, and DB comes out to be A root 2, or we can say DB comes out to be root 2 into A, or we can simply write it as DB as A root 2, that is side into length of the side into root 2. So we can write it here A root 2 diagonal is equals to A root 2. Now let us see an example based on it. We are given the diagonal of a square is equals to 3 root 2 unit, or we can say centimeter. So we have to find perimeter and area. Now to find the perimeter and area, we should know the side of the square, but it is not given in the question. But we know that diagonal of a square is equals to root 2 into side. So side will be equals to diagonal upon root 2, and we are given the value of diagonal, that is 3 root 2 centimeter. It will be divided by root 2, so root 2 will get cancelled by root 2 and side comes out to be 3 centimeter. Now we know that the side of the square is 3 centimeter, so simply we can calculate the perimeter, that will be equals to 4 into side, that is 4 into 3 centimeter, that will be equals to 12 centimeter. Next, the area, it will be equals to side into side, that is 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter, that will be equals to 9 centimeter square.